how to create custom stopwatch in CapCut PC. First, go to the clock app on PC. Then click on Stopwatch section. Now open Sniping Tool app. Select Video option. Click on New button. Select the stopwatch area. Then start recording. After that, start the stopwatch. I am recording 60 seconds. You can do more or less. Stop the recording after 60 seconds. Save the recording. Now go to CapCut. Import the recording clip into the timeline. Click on the ratio option and select this horizontal canvas. Adjust this according to your desire. Now go to the remove background option from the right side. Select chroma key. Select the background color of the recording clip. Increase the intensity till look okay. And that's how you can create custom stopwatch in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.